Hello, people. I'm sitting by a window at 10 in the morning. That's why my face has this unearthly glow. And see my earrings? Diamond earrings. People, like I said, this is a whole series of videos on different health issues and how to have good skin, how to have glowing skin. So, yeah, this particular video deserves a glowing skin. Review, actually people, most of the creams in the market are all about external application. But did you know, any kind of skin trouble is indicative of a leaky gut? I mean, it's kind of a revelation to me. I never knew this, that it's like, um it's so basically with regard to the skin, or in fact anything else in life, it's the inside out approach that is far more effective. So I mean, simple tips like always drinking water and all is, it holds true, but uh, just try to keep the body in an alkaline state instead of an acidic state. Acidic is anything spicy, oily food, processed food, everything makes the body acidic, which in turn leads to skin trouble. And alkaline is natural fruits, vegetables, and all of that. And lime is supposed to be acidic, but once you ingest it, this thing, it turns alkaline in the body. Very strange, right? So yeah, so these kind of tips we need to keep in mind, because then you can have like a glowing skin. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.